What up, y'all? It's your boy Scoob back at it again. I apologize for being out for a few days. One is because, I just needed the rest anyway, especially after uploading for about, making videos for about 3 days straight. And then on top of that, I ordered some new product while I was at it. So I'm just waiting on that to arrive right now. But anyway, we can at least talk about this since this came in today. This right here is my 2003 Honda NSX Type R from the Mountain Drifter set. So anyway, this is probably, everybody was going for that Skyline or that, Corolla, but I have to say, this was my favorite out of the whole set. Because, I'm just a huge NSX fan. I don't go too crazy for the Hondas like some people do, but I really like their rear wheel drive sports cars. The NSX, the S2000, all that. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and dig into it. But first, what I'm going to say is I just bought this other one just so I can replace this one in my hand. Excuse me, y'all. So yeah, this one, I was excited to get it, but unfortunately it had a defect on it right there on the front next to that right headlight. It's a little mark, but you really can't get it out, which was a bummer, especially since I paid all that money for it. But otherwise, everything's top notch, where you want it. Everything where you want it to be. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this one up. Oh yeah, the other one I liked too was that Mitsubishi 3000 GT. That one's pretty dope too. I already got that one. I'll show it in my next JDM Sunday. How about that? So yeah, I'm glad to say that. Yeah, this one is so much better, even though it's got a bit more orange peel on it in the paint. But anyway, at least it ain't got that mark on it like this one do. So it's a little trade-off. You get you run away from one thing, but then you run into something else. But anyway, it could have been worse. It could have been a lot worse. But otherwise, it's in pretty good shape. Well, there's a mark right here on the bumper, but you could get that out probably. So anyway, I just wanted to make this short. I probably might end up getting another one of these just because of the orange peel. But, like I said, it could have been worse. I'm just glad to have a clean one. But yeah, I'm not letting this one go either, I'm finna do a little custom work with this one pretty soon. So stay tuned. No pun intended. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. I really do appreciate it more than y'all ever will know. I'm a new YouTuber. This right here is still my rookie year. So if you made a decision on subscribing, then I would gladly appreciate that. Also leave a like so that it can make other people have access to it. Well, a little better access to it. Leave as many likes as y'all can on this video if you enjoyed it. So thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all later. I'm out.